Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Sister Lila. I'm from class A1 2021. Here I want to present about material improving students' vocabulary to the word square game from school MTS Al Mukhtaria Raja Mandala student school class 7 MTS Al Mukhtaria. Next slide, problem phase. Vocabulary learning in grade 7 student face several major challenges. One of the main problem is that students tend to quickly forget new vocabulary that has been taught. This leads to difficulties in integrating the vocabulary into daily conversation or text. In addition, students have a basic understanding of grammar. They often struggle to use the vocabulary to form more complex sentences. Next slide, solution. Uh, to address the various problems in vocabulary learning, a gradual solution was implemented through three strategical learning. Focus is on introducing basic vocabulary through through the word square game. In this activity, task is designed to help students recognize new vocabulary in an interactive and fun way. With this method, students not only learn to find new words but also understand their meaning. This approach aims to build a strong foundation in basic vocabulary acquisition. And the second, students are invited to deepen their vocabulary understanding by using more complex fight to deepen their vocabulary. And the last, learning is focused on the application of vocabulary in real complex. Okay, the next slide is result from cyclus 1, 2, and 3. The result of the three cyclus-based learning implementation saw significant improvement in student ability to understand and use English vocabulary. In the first, students were introduced to basic vocabulary through the word square game. This activity task was designed to help students recognize new words in simple context. As a result, students were able to find and understand basic vocabulary more easily. And cyclus 2, the level of difficulty was increased by introducing more complex vocabulary variation, group discussion, and activities help students understand the meaning of more difficult words and how to use them in sentence or stories. And the last, cyclus 3, the focus is on applying vocabulary in real context through dialogue and creative narration. Students work in group to create dialogue or short stories which are then present in front of the class. Overall, these three cycles help students build vocabulary understanding gradually from introducing to contextual application. This gradual approach allows students to learn at their own pace, creating an inclusive, interactive, and effective learning. Okay, the next slide is conclusion. The conclusion of this learning cycle show that interactive activity-based approach such as word square game are very effective in improving student vocabulary acquisition. The game makes the learning process more fun and help students to be more actively no involved. Students are not only invited to recognize new vocabulary, but also to understand its meaning and try to use it in real context. Overall, the uh, overall use in the story cyclus so in Prudi. Overall, tricycles in producing positive result, students not only experience an improvement in their vocabulary acquisition, but also in their ability to use it in the context of daily communication. This interactive and contextual. Designate learning provide to create a supportive atmosphere for the development of student lingual skill. And the last slide. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.